Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to disassemble and reassemble a Mazda key, this particular style. So to open it, you just pull, this comes apart, then you can open here for battery. So you need to have, there's a small gap here, you can go in between, right there. Opens like this. You can change the battery if you want to. Just pop it out and put a new battery. So more important thing is how to replace the head or the blade if you want to change the blade. So to open this part, you basically, there is a screw here. You have to take the screw off. Putting this back is going to be a challenge, so please watch closely. You take this off, comes off, and you see this part, you just take everything off, and you see here. Okay, now everything is apart. How are we gonna put it back? You see this one here, this coil has two sides, one is down and the one has two ends as well. So one end should go into this latch here. You place it like this, you take your key, and this also has a spot, a little slot here, that this will latch onto it and will grab it in order to tension the coil. So you go in a little bit of angle, you make sure the tip goes here. Once you grab it, you're gonna start turning. Oh, it just escaped the latch. So you have to be patient with this, and you have to have a little bit of sleight of hand, I would say. Careful. And you see there is a small slot there. As soon as you attach it, you have to go in an angle and twist. That's it. Once you come here, make sure you put your finger on top, don't let it go back. There is enough tension now. So this part here, I'm gonna take this, just make sure it doesn't pop out of your hand. You see there is a small let's say arm, whatever you want to call it, and inside the remote, right inside, there is a small opening there, that where this part will go in, this small extension right here. And so shorter arm at the top, longer arm at the bottom, that will coincide with this slot right here. So this is right where it should be. Then you put your coil here. This is for helping you press the button and then release the tension, and so your key can flip. Then you just put this one at the top, keep your finger, snap in place. Now you can see it works. Close it. Take your screw here. Make sure you put the screw, because this can come apart if you don't do it. Screw it here. So now we're done with this part, and to do this part, you just flip it here, snap this in place as well, and here you go. This is how to do this key from start to finish, and working key.